Good evening, I'm Carrie Lazarus.
And I'm Rod Wood. A lot of people have been waiting months now for some accountability in a case that stunned many of us here in Central New York. Today, the state issued its report on the handling of the Aaron Maxwell case by the Oswego County Department of Social Services.
It points no fingers and lays no blame, but did find the agency should have looked deeper in its 3 investigations. The department has already taken some steps to try to keep it from happening again, but as Jeff Kulikowski tells us, there is one recommendation from the state that still needs work.
When the living conditions behind these walls first became public, it shocked many of us. How could anyone, especially a young girl, live in a house full of animals, piles of garbage, and a strong smell of cat urine? Calls, including those from her school, made their way to the Oswego County DSS, to the point 3 separate investigations were launched between 2003 and 2006. Today, the state released its own report and cited areas where DSS came up short in those investigations. Commissioner Fran Lanigan defended her agency and accepted no responsibility for the conditions Aaron lived in, at times pointing to a lack of communication from the school for the lapse in another DSS investigation after 2006.
Well, the school district seemed to believe that they had no suspicions of abuse or maltreatment. I don't understand what their reasoning was, and I think we would need to have further discussions with them to come to some common understanding.
Phoenix Superintendent Rita Racette issued a 4-paragraph statement late this afternoon defending her district, saying her staff acted appropriately at all times in its interaction with both law enforcement and public agencies regarding this devastating event.
The report does make the recommendation DSS work with the school district to clarify lines of communication and ways they can work together on cases like this.
I certainly, like I said, would be willing to work with them to develop a better understanding and collaboration.
It's too late for Aaron Maxwell, but it could help it from happening again. In Oswego County, Jeff Kulikowski, News Channel 9.
Now, Aaron Maxwell's stepbrother, Alan Jones, has been charged with her murder. Her father and stepmother are facing child endangerment charges. If you'd like to read the report that was issued today, go to 9WSYR.com. It's right on the front page.